When utilizing social media, there is a way that you can use this in order to be able to connect with people that are in your field, especially alumni that are doing what you think that you want to do. Utilizing LinkedIn's alumni feature, you can go all the way through and find out what employer, where they studied, what specific major they had, and where you can go through and connect with people that are doing what you want to do. So utilizing social media in that way to be able to connect with alumni and network with them is really valuable.
We're often asked if a LinkedIn profile is necessary for students, and the resounding answer to that is yes. It's a wonderful way, no matter what your major, is to get your name out there and to create contacts and network.